5:30 in the morning. Getting this shot. Gotta get out, break down this setup. Like you can see, I'm still kind of asleep. Out, it's pushing a little past 5:30. The place is about 20 minutes away, so it shouldn't be that bad. We're about to hop on this road and make it happen. So let's go.
How you doing? Oh yeah, y'all said, yeah. I was like, oh man.
1 in 30 minutes.
Got a little bit of sleep.
I just already am so tired.
Did that jump bring y'all right here, or you was like, oh, that's their whip right there? Cause I know you be lurking. I know you be. Yeah, I know you.
Getting too close.
Yeah. Look, everybody is on time. How you doing this wonderful morning?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Pretty good.
Okay. So we got a whole situation. Sunrise. He's gonna be shooting them. And I said he's gonna be shooting them, and then I'm gonna shoot you. Yeah, I was like, let me bring some women, female energy for you. You know
that
what I'm
good
saying?
divine feminine energy.
Exactly. So have you ever been here?
I don't actually. No, it might have been another place, but.
Another place.
No,
Oh, so you holding out on the secret spots?
I don't be going nowhere. I'm not gonna lie.
This right here, this.
Still on the west though.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know if I like the way you said that.
You're on the spot real quick.
Okay. Ooh, them bugs already itching up.
Already.
Oh, God. All right.
Okay. So let us see which options you brought.
Okay, so I have on one of the bikinis right now.
Okay.
And then
Okay, so I'm assuming the one you have on is the one you like the most?
No, I just randomly picked. Then I have on a brown one right now, and then I have this like nude one, and then I have a little colorful picnic looking one.
Okay.
And then I have this like it's like a dress, like a see-through dress. Super cute. And then I also have this white little like mini skirt, and then this like flowy green top. It might look a little crazy right now, but it's gonna all come together, y'all. I promise. It's gonna be super cute, and y'all are gonna love it. I promise.
Okay. Oh, I like that. You're getting the energy.
Yes.
Marking your territory.
Give me like a twirl with it. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yep, keep coming, keep coming. Let me get a different angle. $30 seconds.
30 seconds to do what?
Just tell me. Okay, so how was that?
That was a risk.
A risk.
Because I almost drowned a couple times.
Wow.
But it was worth it. The pictures are gonna be super cute. And yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be worth it, y'all.
Until the next outfit.
Yeah, we'll see you in a couple minutes.
Couple minutes. Okay. now we have the last outfit for the vlog, and we about to get it in. Y'all see this light is actually really bright right now, so we about to do some high-speed sync, and I'm gonna go bare bald and see what it's looking like, and we're gonna use this beautiful aesthetic. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. I love it. Can you open that arm up anymore? Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
back?
Yeah, back like that. Perfect. Alright. I actually like this sample right here, so. We are ending here until I meet you again, Miss.
I literally have no idea where my keys. Oh, they're
Oh,
right here.
yeah. Oh, we about to say. She about to be riding back with us, showing her where her keys at. But until we meet again, Miss Samira.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, so all I need is you to send me your email address, and then we could coordinate everything. All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Make sure you guys follow me.
I'm gonna put it right here for you, and sparkling letters.
Yeah, sorry guys, I gotta get my car. I'm trying to be up like y'all.
All right, we are out.
Thank you.
I always say I'm gonna get active on TikTok
Yeah.
because I have like over 1,000 followers and I don't have not one video. So I'm like, if I got 1,000 followers and not one video, I can only imagine.